YouTube, what's going on with you guys today, man? It's your boy Lane. So recently I've been thinking about making a series of videos where I'm gonna be attempting to grow $10 into $1,000. But before we get straight into today's video, I'm gonna need you guys to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that every time when I post, you guys get notified. So yeah, man, without wasting any further time, let's get straight into today's video. So as you guys can see, this is sort of like the plan on how I'm gonna try to grow $10 into $1,000. The first week I'm gonna try to grow $10 into $20, and the second week $20 into 30, third week 30 into 40, and so on. So once we get to $50, I'm gonna take a prop firm challenge and hopefully use the prop firm's money to get to $1,000. So that's basically the plan. As you guys can see right now, I just deposited $10 into my account, and the next thing I'm gonna do right now is just to look at the currency pairs to see which one I'm gonna trade today. This is a live account, I'm not playing with you guys. I deposited $10, but here's an extra $2.88. The only thing I hate about this is that the leverage is very limiting compared to the other brokers. So I guess we're gonna be perishing the markets regardless. So let's take our first trade and see what's gonna happen. What's going on, y'all? It is currently the next day, and yesterday unfortunately I didn't take a trade. So today I just hopped on the chat and I saw something. So let me show you guys. It's Friday, it is currently 3:36, and here's a setup on USD chef. Here's a market structure shift on 15 minutes. I waited for the markets to come back to this level over here, which is the order block. And yeah, man, as you guys can see, price went back to the order block, tapped us into the trade, and we are currently in profits. We are just waiting for the market to go over to this level over here, and then yeah, it's gonna be a good trading week. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how the trade went. Before I do that, actually let me show you guys the point of interest on 4 hours. The market went into the order block on the 4-hour time frame. So as soon as it tapped into the 4-hour time frame, I just waited for the CRT model. I'm waiting for the market to get to this level over here and this level over here, but this one is just the draw on liquidity. I'm not waiting for the markets to come back to this level. I'm gonna take all the profits once the market breaks this level over here. So yeah, man, that's how it is. Oh, seems like we have a problem. We had a very beautiful move to the downside. Unfortunately, I got stopped out at break even, so I wasn't able to get my account to $20 this week. We are currently at $15, as you guys can see. But yeah, man, this is part of what happens in this trading field. I hope you guys are gonna keep following my videos. Yeah, man, you actually get to see what's gonna happen next week. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Take care.